Hello guys, welcome to Legit Boss once again. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can earn at least 16,000 to 40,000 in just 2 days with your smartphone online simply by tapping online black sheep on Telegram. All you need to do is to calm down, watch this video from beginning to the end, because at the end of this video, if you have never made money online before with your smartphone, after this video you are going to start making money with your phone for free, no investment. Okay, but before I proceed guys, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss. If this is the first time you're hearing my voice or first time you're coming across my channel, what I do on this channel is all about business. I share business updates every day on this channel, so for you not to miss out on my latest updates, all you need to do is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified every day with our latest updates. Then at the end of this video, I am going to be leaving our WhatsApp group link in the comment section. You need to be in a WhatsApp group before you can receive or before you can get the registration link to this platform. So if you are not in any of my WhatsApp group after watching this video and you are interested in making this money with us, you are interested in dragging this money with us, we are going to receive in the next 2 days, then go to comment section of this video. The link is there. You use the link to join our WhatsApp group. Immediately you join our WhatsApp group, the first thing you are going to see on our WhatsApp group is the registration link of this platform, so you can use it to join this platform and start making money for free with your smartphone. Okay, so now let's proceed. First, you need to have Telegram. This is the platform, as you can see here on your screen. The name of this platform is known as Baton. Baton is airdrop, just like every other airdrop, and there are two ways which you can earn, or there are three ways which you can earn on this platform. This is airdrop, as you can see. For those of you who could remember last year, we tap like tap swap, hamster combat. They did not reward us well. They ended up disappointing us. And now there is another one as of that last year known as Pepeverse. And that Pepeverse, they rewarded us massively because I'm a living testimony. And exactly the method which Pepeverse used, that's the same method this platform is using. They have their grand prize ongoing and I have payment proof. In fact, take a look at your screen. Can you see payment proof? That's payment proof you are seeing on your screen. So in next 2 days, you are going to receive free 16,000, which is 10 USDT, because I converted it when we take a look at my calculator here. So when I converted it, because dollar is currently 1,006 times 10, that's 16,000 naira. You are seeing here, you are going to receive on this platform just for free. So how are you going to do it? When you click in the link in our WhatsApp group, when you join our WhatsApp group, please, if you're already in my WhatsApp group before, don't join because we receive the link. But if you are not in my WhatsApp group, you can use the link in the comment section to join our WhatsApp group so that you can receive the link. So when you click on the link in our WhatsApp group, this is what you are going to see on your dashboard. So they will ask you to complete some few tasks. So you will complete the few tasks you are going to see on your screen. So when you complete it, now they will now bring you to your dashboard. So what you do is to keep tapping. So now, as they are tapping, you also need to add your address. You need Telegram, you need Tonkeeper installed on your phone. If you don't have Tonkeeper, go to Play Store and install Tonkeeper on your phone. You will be given all this guideline in our WhatsApp group. Okay, so you come to this place here to add it. You add it here and then you save it for the airdrop. So this is the money you are receiving in the next 2 days. Now, for you to be eligible to receive this money, now your hard work is what counts for you. You have to keep tapping this black sheep here. Tap. You have to be tapping it. Now, as you are tapping it, you are accumulating this black sheep token. Now, if you are ranking, come to leaders board. So when you come to this place here, you see for the next 7 days, you can see this place here, up to $15,000 every week. People are to win this money every week if you participate, which means if you are tapping seriously, you will be ranking. As you can see here, I'm ranking at 192 and I'm eligible for 7 USDT. 7 USDT. So let me calculate how much it is now. So let's say times 7. So you see the amount of money I'm eligible to receive. So in the next 2 days, I should receive 11,200. But if I rank up, if I tap more and I accumulate more token, I might even end up receiving this 40 USDT here. So this thing is a 2 days challenge. This is a grand prize that you can actually participate and earn this money. So you tap. All you need to do is you see this place here, keep tapping. Once the energy tank get exhausted, you just wait for it to reload and then you keep tapping. So that is all you do on this platform to earn. Then talking about the withdrawal now, the money will be sent to your account automatically. Remember, you are going to add your Tonkeeper address here. Your Tonkeeper address, when you add it here, you will see the option to register. So you go to your Tonkeeper app, you click on receive. When you click on receive, copy your address there. That's your turn address there. Then you come to this place here and you paste it, and then you click on register. So when you register it, boom, you are good to go. All you need to do is to tap, 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 just like that. Keep tapping. When you are tapping, you come to this place here and check your if your name has appeared. And then even if your name did not appear in high places, you might even receive 3 USDT. See, 3 USDT. People can receive three. The minimum amount you can receive is 3 USDT. So you can actually outrank all these people. You just need to take it very, very serious, and then you start making money for yourself. Just like that in the next 2 days. And not only that, oh, they still have the 30,000 grand prize. But this one is the weekly grand prize we are participating now. So the top 500 will stand or will be eligible to receive, to share $30,000 USDT. So this one will happen in the next 43 days, which is 1 month plus. Do you understand? So this place here, you can still participate here if you are maintaining your rank. Yeah, as you keep ranking, the platform is going to actually rank you to this place. And then when they rank you to this place, you'll be eligible to receive more money, guys. So this is 100% legit, and this update is coming directly from Legit Boss, guys. As you all know, if something is legit, I'm always saying is legit, and if something is not legit, I'm always saying is not legit. This one you are seeing on your screen is 100% legit and confirmed paying. I was a living testimony on Pepe Vast. This is what Pepe Vast did. As of that last year, we will come and tap, we will come and do some task, we will copy code and paste. Then we were rewarded. Yeah, I even rank on the leaderboard. I even rank as first as of then. If you do the task, you'll be ranking. Now this one is just to tap, 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 and then don't also keep this update to yourself. Come to this place, click on friends, copy your link. Copy your link. This is the link you are going to receive in our WhatsApp group. The link you are going to see in our WhatsApp group. So copy your link to invite your friends and family so that we all can actually participate and collect this money for free. No investment. All you need is a Telegram app. That's all you need. You need Telegram app and then Tonkeeper app. Once you have these two apps, boom, you are good to go on this platform. Then once the link is being given to you in our WhatsApp group, you use it to start tapping, start earning, then participate for the next 2 days, and you see yourself. Please take note that if you did not see yourself on this leaderboard, it simply means you are not going to receive it, or maybe you still continue again, because it is every 7 days. Every 7 days they are giving this prize. This platform has money. This platform really has money. So we are going to make it, guys. By God's grace, if you participate on this project, you should be able to make money for free, no investment. Okay, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and then don't forget I said the group link is in the comment section of this video. Okay, so you can use the group link to join, so you can be able to get access. But if you are in my WhatsApp group already, please, there is no need of joining, because if you are joining, it means you're occupying space for other new members. Okay, so that's it, guys. So thank you for watching this video. I remain Sparky, aka Legit Boss. If you have another question, please comment below. I'll be there to reply you. Thank you.